The ultimate reward, freedom. Why do people become entrepreneurs? It's not just about the money, it's about something much deeper. It's about freedom, freedom to choose your own path, freedom to control your own destiny, freedom to live life on your own terms. Entrepreneurship is a journey. It's a challenging journey, but it's also incredibly rewarding. It's a journey that leads to freedom. When you're an entrepreneur, you're in control. You call the shots. You decide what you want to do and how you want to do it. This freedom is priceless. It's something that you can't put a price tag on. Beyond the paycheck, a deeper motivation. For many entrepreneurs, the desire for freedom is rooted in something deeper than just money. It's about having the autonomy to pursue their passions, to make a difference in the world, and to create something of their own. I started my own business because I wanted to be my own boss. I was tired of working for someone else, following their rules and living by their schedule. I wanted to be in control of my own life. I wanted to create something new, something that would make a difference in the world. I wanted to build a company that I could be proud of, a company that reflected my values. The price of freedom, hard work, and sacrifice. Freedom isn't free, it comes with a price. Entrepreneurship requires hard work, dedication, and sacrifice. There will be long hours, sleepless nights, and moments of doubt, but the rewards are worth it. The feeling of building something from the ground up, of seeing your vision come to life, is an incredible feeling. It's a feeling that you can't get from working for someone else. You'll need to be willing to learn new skills, to adapt to change, and to persevere through challenges. But if you're willing to put in the work, the rewards are limitless. Freedom's value, more than just money. Financial independence is often a major motivator for entrepreneurs. But freedom is about more than just money. It's about having the time and resources to pursue your passions, to spend time with your loved ones, and to live a life that is meaningful to you. When you're financially independent, you're not beholden to anyone. You don't have to worry about losing your job or being stuck in a career that you don't enjoy. You have the freedom to do what you want, when you want. This freedom allows you to be present in the moment, to savor life's simple pleasures, and to create lasting memories with the people who matter most. Section 5. A legacy of freedom inspiring the next generation. As entrepreneurs, we have the unique opportunity to teach our children the value of hard work, creativity, and independence. These are not just skills for business, but for life. When we involve our children in our entrepreneurial journeys, we show them firsthand the dedication and passion it takes to turn ideas into reality. By showing them that it's possible to create their own path and build a life on their own terms, we empower them to pursue their own dreams. This empowerment is crucial in a world that often tries to fit everyone into predefined molds. We can inspire them to break free from these constraints and explore their own unique potential. We can teach them that failure is not the opposite of success, but rather a stepping stone on the path to growth and learning. Every setback is an opportunity to learn something new, to refine their approach, and to come back stronger. This mindset is invaluable, not just in business, but in every aspect of life. By fostering an entrepreneurial spirit in our children, we equip them with the skills and mindset they need to thrive in an ever-changing world. This includes critical thinking, problem solving, and the ability to adapt to new situations. These are the skills that will help them navigate the complexities of the future. Imagine a world where our children are not afraid to take risks, to think outside the box, and to pursue their passions with unwavering determination. This is a world where innovation thrives, and where the next generation can build on our legacy to create something even greater. This is the legacy we can create by embracing the entrepreneurial spirit and passing it on to the next generation. By doing so, we ensure that our children are not just prepared for the future, but are also inspired to shape it in ways we can only imagine. Let's inspire them to dream big, to reach for the stars, and to never settle for anything less than their best. Section 6. Defining your freedom. What does it mean to you? Freedom is a deeply personal concept. It's something that resonates differently with each individual. It means different things to different people. For some, Freedom might be the ability to express themselves without fear of judgment. For others, it might mean having the financial security to travel the world, exploring new cultures and experiences. Some find freedom in the flexibility to set their own hours and work from anywhere, blending their professional and personal lives seamlessly. Take some time to reflect on what freedom truly means to you. Is it the ability to pursue your passions without constraints? What would you do if you had complete control over your time and your life? What are your passions? What activities make you lose track of time? What makes you feel alive? Is it spending time with loved ones, creating art, or perhaps exploring the great outdoors? Once you have a clear understanding of what freedom means to you, you can start to set goals and make choices that align with your vision. These decisions might involve changing your career path, relocating to a new place, or simply adjusting your daily routine to better suit your needs. Remember, your definition of freedom is unique to you, and that's perfectly okay. Embrace it, cherish it, and let it guide you towards a fulfilling life. Take a moment each day to reconnect with your sense of freedom. It can be as simple as a quiet walk in nature or a few minutes of meditation. Journaling can also be a powerful tool to explore and define your personal sense of freedom. Write down your thoughts, dreams, and aspirations. Share your journey with others. Sometimes, discussing your ideas of freedom with friends or family can provide new insights and perspectives. Ultimately, freedom is about living a life that feels true to you. It's about making choices that reflect your values and desires. So what does freedom mean to you? Take the time to discover it, embrace it, and let it lead you to a life of fulfillment and joy. Section 7. Overcoming fear. Taking the leap into entrepreneurship. Taking the leap into entrepreneurship can be scary. There's always a risk of failure, but there's also the potential for incredible reward. And remember, the biggest risk is not taking any risk at all. Fear is a natural part of the process. It's important to acknowledge your fears, but don't let them paralyze you. Surround yourself with supportive people, seek out mentors, and believe in yourself and your vision. Remember, every successful entrepreneur has faced challenges and setbacks along the way. It's how you overcome these obstacles that defines you as an entrepreneur. Embrace the unknown and trust that you have the strength and resilience to navigate whatever comes your way. Section 8. Building your dream. Brick by brick, hour by hour. Building a successful business takes time. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. There will be days when you feel like you're making great progress, and there will be days when you feel like you're not moving forward at all. But it's important to remember that every step you take, no matter how small, is bringing you closer to your goal. Focus on the process, not just the outcome. Celebrate your wins, learn from your mistakes, and keep moving forward. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful business. Be patient, persistent, and never give up on your dreams. Section 9. The joy of impact, making a difference in the world. It's a phrase that resonates deeply with many of us. But what does it truly mean to make a difference? One of the most rewarding aspects of entrepreneurship is the opportunity to make a difference in the world. Entrepreneurs are often seen as the driving force behind innovation and progress. When you create a successful business, you're not just creating jobs and generating wealth, you're also creating something that has the potential to improve people's lives. This impact can be seen in various ways, from providing essential services to creating products that enhance daily living. Whether you're developing a new product or service, solving a problem, or simply making people's lives a little bit easier, entrepreneurship gives you the power to make a positive impact on the world around you. This journey is filled with challenges, but the rewards far outweigh the obstacles. This sense of purpose and impact can be incredibly motivating and fulfilling. Knowing that your efforts are contributing to the greater good provides a sense of accomplishment that is hard to match. It's a reminder that your work matters and that you have the ability to create real change in the world. Every small step taken towards a better future counts, and collectively, these steps lead to significant transformations. So whether you're an entrepreneur, a volunteer, or someone striving to make a difference in your own way, remember that your actions have the power to shape a better world for all. Section 10. Embrace the journey. Freedom awaits. The pursuit of freedom through entrepreneurship is a journey filled with challenges, rewards, and endless possibilities. It's a path that requires courage, resilience, and an unwavering belief in yourself and your vision. Embrace the ups and downs, celebrate your victories, learn from your setbacks, and never stop pursuing your dreams. The freedom that awaits you on the other side is worth every ounce of effort. So take a deep breath, step outside your comfort zone, and start building the life of your dreams. The world is waiting for your unique talents and contributions.